Hello everybody, my name is Danny. This is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Ryobi 18 volt. It's the HP version. Stick hand vac or stick vac. This thing is super cool, guys. I've had the other versions of it. This guy's definitely got a little more power. You can feel it right away. Hence the HP version. And so I'm going to show you guys first of all how it goes together. So it's already together, so I'm going to quickly pull it apart and then I can show you that. So all these come apart and you can put them back together. So you could exclude this, for example, so you could kind of have like a weird little stool, like for stairs or something. You could also put the crevice tool directly on here as well. This guy comes off like so, so there's a release button. And then also the bottom has a button so you can empty it by just pushing this. That's going to release, empty out, and then it'll close like that to put that back on there. It does clip right on here like so. That'll kind of drop in. This will pivot, and there's a button here that will latch it all together for you. And so that's that. Also, like I was saying, you can go directly to this guy and use the crevice tool as well. And so has a power button on the top. Right below the power button has a power save mode, so it uses less battery. So here's the regular on. And then power save mode, you'll hear it turns down a little bit and it's a lighter suction, but uses less battery. And then, so obviously you can put the stick on here and that'll clip into place. Or should. There we go, didn't have it lined up right. And then same thing here, this will drop into place and click once it's all lined up. And same deal, guys. So you'll see this guy, roller brush goes. You can also turn it to lighter mode, so it's using less battery. And that is the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus HP stick vac, guys. Model number, by the way, on this exact vacuum is, wherever they hit it from me here, if I can find it, PBL SV717. Thank you guys, infinity forever, for watching. You know I super appreciate you. As you all know, or if you don't, we're giving this entire kit away to a subscriber at the end of April, so do not forget to hit that subs. If anybody has any video ideas, please let me know. I super appreciate all the info, feedback, comments, etc. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great one.